Hi, Tuba. Wagwan. Okay, let me bring you guys up to date. This is a full beatdown on this Nakamichi Dragon. The the tape transport was a hell to take out. Look what I had to do. I had to dismantle the entire deck. You know what I mean? I have pulled the stuff apart over the years, but man, I'm telling you, this one top everything, man. This one tops everything. You know, I had to just demolish this damn thing. Can't believe it. Just to pull out the tape transport. How could they design such a thing? Not easily accessible. You know, man, this is crazy. I would think even 40 years ago, they would design something that you could repair easily and get to. I wonder how those Nakamichi technician handled these things in those days. Okay, so what we have here. You're gonna take me a long while to figure out how to put this thing back together. You know what I mean? Just crazy, man. But anyway, yeah, I had to pull the tape transport out because I want to change the belts, right? And I also want to check the capstan and lube it up, and I mean lube the parts that need to be lubed and all that stuff. So I want to give it a proper servicing. That's why I had to take the tape transport down, and it was last night I ordered some belts and pinch roller because this one is shot. This belt is shot, and there's another belt. Where is it? There's another belt that's shot. It's back here, deep down in there. Damn. I don't know how they serviced these things back then. All right. Catch you later. Stay tuned. See you in a little more. All right. Bye.